Hey guys, a very good morning to all of you. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Once again, I am here with a very interesting business plan which will help you to increase your earnings day by day. This plan brings you a golden chance to fulfill all your dreams and become financially strong. Let's start with the name of the company. Name of the plan is Max Money and its official website is www.maxmoneycf.com, where you can visit for each and every details of the company. This plan has started from Las Vegas, USA, and it targets to achieve 10 million global user base. This business plan gives you an opportunity to play online casino and earn more and more, and also is the best earning platform for its members. Registration in the plan is totally free. You can register your ID whenever you want and then activate your ID with the desired package to start earning. This business plan is a very good opportunity for anyone who wants to achieve the highest peak of success. After activation of your ID, you receive various types of income from the company. First, max growth income. Second, booster level income. Third, max royalty achiever, and fourth, reward income. Talking about the joining package in the company, it's only $25, and the benefits that you receive on this joining amount is 1% daily ROI up to 200 days, and it is applicable only for the 5 working days, that means Monday to Friday. If talking about the joining amount in INR, that means Indian currency, it is only 2000 rupees. After the payment of the joining amount, you receive the income benefit of 20 rupees daily for 200 days, and the total income will be of 4000 rupees. Now let's talk about the level income that you receive from the company. You receive earnings till 12 levels, and the team works on 5x5 metrics. In the first level, number of direct members is 2. Referral team is of 5 people and your daily income is of $0.25. Weekly income will be of $1.25. In level 2, direct members required are 3. Referral team is of 25 members, daily income is of $1.25 and the weekly income is of $6.25. Level 3, direct members required are 4. Referral team is of 125 people, daily income is of $6.25 and weekly income is of $31.25. Level 4, your direct members required are 5. Referral team is of 625 people, daily income is of $31.25 and weekly income is of $156.25. Talking about level 5, direct members required are 6. Referral team is of 3125 people, daily earning is of $156.25 and weekly income is of $781.25. In level 6, direct members required are 7. Referral team is of 15,625 members, daily income is of $781.25 and weekly income is of $3,906.25. In level 7, direct member required are 8. Referral team is of 78,125 members, daily income is of $3,906.25 and weekly income is of $19,531.25. This way the matrix goes on and you receive earnings till 12 levels. Daily income after the completion of 12 levels is $1,52,58,789. And weekly income after the completion of 12 levels is of $7,62,93,945. It's a very big amount. Company gives you a very good opportunity to build up your career and earn more and more. You can fulfill everything what you have wanted for. If talking about this amount in INR, it will be in lakhs and crore. So guys, this company is giving you the very best opportunity to boost up your career and earn more and more and become financially strong. Company also gives you max royalty achiever income. On the completion of 25 direct members in your team, you will receive 2% commission of company's total turnover for lifetime. On the completion of 50 direct members in your team, you will receive 2% commission of company's total turnover for lifetime. This offer is valid till 10 March 2021. Next, on your mobile screen, you can see the 4 pillars of the company. That is the photos of the director, marketing head, team manager and chief developer of the company. Company also provides you services in various another fields like car racing, horse racing and casino equipments. Apart from these, company also has a charitable trust where it fights and provides help for social causes. If talking about the legal documents of the company, on your mobile screen you can see the certificate of incorporation, which is very important document for any company to be legally strong. So guys, this company is giving you the best earning option you can ever have. So join the company as soon as possible and start your earning.